My role in this project is a design coordinator, and I'm coordinating between the discipline internally and also with the client. So this building will be used to produce vaccine. It's an expansion of an existing building, so they will increase the vaccine production using this building. This building and these modules will be shipped to our customer who is based in USA. We came in quite late in the design process. The client made a decision to go modular, and they had a very tight time frame, and they saw that a conventional building would not meet their time schedule. They had already done a basic design, they had already set the layout and so forth, so we had to adapt our modules around their original design. Basically everything was custom made. What's included in key plan scope in this project is the complete clean room. The clean room will be used mainly for storage. So we have a cold box, grade C, and then we have a clean room, grade C, and then we have the complete HVAC for the building, and the utility, and some of the process piping. Yes, so this building will be a complete integrated part of their existing facility. Once it's complete and the facade is on, you won't see that it's a modular building at all. The challenge with this project has been to adapt our modular construction to their original layout, but we have succeeded, and now we have a modular building that's been adapted to their layout, and so we haven't changed their original layout at all. The key driver for the clients to choose key plans and modular building was the time frame. We could offer a concept where we shorten their time frame to completion a great deal.